Now let us see purchases. In order to enter purchases, click on add. This is the purchase voucher where you need to enter series, date, party. If it's a cash purchase, enter cash. Materials, enter. If you can enter transport details, enter it, otherwise close it. Here you can't directly enter the items and you do not find any item here. For that you need to create items first. Items can be grouped under a single category. First you need to create an item group. If you are having more than one item coming under one group, see here is an example, vegetable items. Since it is a primary group, select S, click on save. You can create any number of item groups. Since we have created 2 item groups, now we need to create items that belong to that particular group. This is the item grouping, under which group does it belong, and the unit measure, dozens, kgs, whatever the measure it is, and click on save. You can enter all the items that you have purchased and the group that it belongs and the measure of units, so on. You can create as many accounts that are related to that group item. Similarly, you can create another items. Similar way, all the vegetable names can be created under vegetable items. If you find any general item, group it under general. So on, you can add on all the vegetables. Now let us come back to purchases. Enter the details, date of purchase, cash purchase. Since we made a cash purchase, we are entering party as cash, and the items. See, now we can find all the items that we have created. Select a particular item and enter its quantity, price. What are the items you have purchased? Enter them. You need to remember one thing, you can't directly enter it here. Bill sundries are something related to VAT, discount, round off values. If your purchase consists of discount, enter it, otherwise leave it, it's not mandatory. Click on save. The purchase will be saved. See, you can view it from list. These are all the items. Similarly, you can enter purchases that you have made on a related dates. Items that you have bought, quantity, amount, and this is a purchase made on 12th. These are all the items that are bought on that particular day, quantity, price, amount. Clicking on save, it will be saving the purchase voucher. Discount received. Like this, you can enter purchases. If you want to view the cash balance, select. These are all the transactions, cash transactions that you have done on related dates. This is all the accounts. This is the payments that you have done. This is the receipts of receiving your cash, and closing balance shows the remaining amount in your hand. In administration master, you have another unit where defaultly these 6 are given, and sometimes you need few other measures such as centimeters, milliliters, so on, depending upon your need. This is the unit measure where you will be entering at the time of purchase. See here. Like this, we can create our own receipts and payments and purchases that we have done in a particular day, on a particular day. Let us see a payment example that we have received, that we have paid back the amount which we took from Kumar. If we have paid the cash, we will be entering in payments. If we have received the cash, we will be entering in receipts. This is a cash received receipt voucher where we have received a cash This is an entry for buying furniture. Sales. Since in household we do not have sales, but few items, if there is a necessity of sales, you can even enter in sales, similar way as you have done in purchases. Everything is similar to purchases, but most of the household we will not have sales. You can view your cash balance from cash. Here, even though if you make a wrong entry, you can modify them. See, furniture and account. Since we bought furniture, we have made pay, it should be entered in payments, but by mistake I have entered in receipts. You can delete that and re-enter it into the account, into the related account. This is the payment where cash is paid for the furniture which I have bought. Click on save. See, now the accounts are right. This is the balance that we are left with. Till now we have seen cash purchase. Now let us see credit purchase. For that, open a purchase voucher, enter the details. Here we do not find the name of the store which is supplying us goods. For that, we need to create an account for that. See, you can create the account like this. Type the store name, or it can be a person, owner of that store. Group it. Since he gives us a credit, we will be grouping him under sundry creditors. Click on save. Now you can enter your credit purchase, date, voucher number if any, party. Now you can find name of the creditor who is supplying us the items. Enter the items that we have bought on credit. As we have entered earlier, similar way we can enter all the items that we have bought from the general store on credit basis. Only difference is this does not affect your cash balance. Since you are not dealing with cash. If you, Similarly, you can view other books, ledger accounts. For example, you have made a, if you want to see the creditor account, earlier we took 25,000 from him, we have paid back 12,500 and we need to pay 12,500. You can view each and every account detail. This is the credit purchase where we have taken a credit of 675 and we need to pay 675. You can view all the accounts, existing accounts, cable TV account. Similarly, see, we have paid 150 for 4th month